Hello everyone, in this video class we will learn how to model spinner like this in Autodesk Inventor. So first of all, open Autodesk Inventor. We will create our spinner with part by part and then assemblize them. So let's open part and then make sure your document settings, the units of length is in millimeters. So I choose millimeters. Okay, so let's start by sketching. Select 2D sketch and select XY plane. Let's create one circle in the center of this plane with diameter 22 millimeters, and then second one in here 22 millimeters. So now we can use the constraint to put these circles in one line. In this case we need to use vertical constraint. Choose this one and then select the two centers of these circles. As you can see, these circles are laying down in one line. Okay, in this case we need to put dimension here. The dimension between two centers should be 30 millimeters. Done. As you can see, we finished this operation, and then next operation we will use another useful tool, which means circle pattern. This one we need to copy this circle in 2 times. First of all, while using this tool, select geometry and then choose axis. The axis will be center of this circle. Okay, as you can see, the tool automatically gives us like 6 or 5 more options. We need to select 3 and then degree is 360 millimeters. Okay, just press OK. Done. As you can see, we already finished copying these circles, and then next step is using offset tool to make a larger copy of this circle. Let's do it. Okay, choose offset tool and then click this circle and create circle with 6 millimeters more. As you can see, it's finished. We will do same operation with these circles. Okay, as you can see, we finished this step also. And then what will we do? We will use arc tool, especially arc tool with 3 points, and then choose these 2 points, lines from 2 circles, and then this point. Okay, we finished. And then create this kind of things, and then now we will use this tool in constraints, tangent tool. Just click one circle and then our arc, this circle, our arc, this side also. Okay, finished. We need to put here some dimensions, so choose dimension and then we need to put here 15 millimeters. This arc also, the radius should be 15 millimeters. Here 15 millimeters. Done. As you can see, our sketch is in full black color, which means fully constrained. We don't need to put another information here. So let's finish sketching. We already finished. Click around of your mouse 2 times to put your sketch in full size of your workspace. So now we need to extrude it. Let's choose extrude, and then first of all select spaces which should be extruded. I already selected. Then from here choose option symmetric, and then distance should be 7 millimeters. Done. After that we need to use fillet tool to put some fillets. Let's put some fillets with 0.5 millimeters, and then we need to choose places to make fillet. As you can see, I am selecting all these edges Select this one and then click apply. Done. Now it's time to use another option of fillet tool, which means full round fillet. Let's select it. After that, first of all, select first face and then center face, this one, and then turn around your spinner body and then select third space. As you can see, it's finished. Okay, let's click apply and cancel. We already finished the body of the spinner. Let's change the color of body to cam. Okay, as you can see, it looks good. So now we need to save the body of spinner to another file. So we will save it. Create one folder, which means spinner, and then open it and save it with spinner body. Okay, I already saved it. So now we need to create another file, which means assembly. In this file we will put all the other parts of spinner and then we will animate it. Let's do it. Okay, let's create one file, which means assembly. I will create it, and then first of all, in this file also check your document settings, unit and millimeters. Okay, I put millimeters. Now we can put here assemble using place tool our body of spinner. Now we can escape the copying file. Just click shift and escape. Now it's time to put bearings in these circles, in these holes. So let's do it. As you can see, in design model there is bearing tool. We can select it, but first it asks to save our assembly. Let's save it and then save it with name spinner full. Okay, I will put it. As you can see, first of all it asks to select cylindrical face. Let's select it, this face. Okay, and then starting plane. Start plane should be this one. Okay, done. Now we will put some dimensions here and then we will select the standard bearings from library. Okay, as you can see, I put dimensions from here and then we can select standard bearing from here. Let's open all bearing categories. It takes time to open all bearing categories. Okay, I will choose this one and then let's select this one and put OK. Done. As you can see, we put one bearing here. Now it's time to put another bearing here. We will do the same action. Let's select this face, starting face, 8877. Okay, let's open all bearing categories. Okay, done. Now we can put another bearings to these two holes at the same operation. Now, but we can use another operation to copy them automatically. So what can we do? We will use pattern tool. We will choose circle pattern in here also. First of all, we need to select axis direction. Okay, we select it. We need to select main object. So for automatically it gives 4 options. We need to select 3 options. And then we need to put here 120 degrees. Okay, done. As you can see, they automatically put in their places. Okay, we already finished modeling our spinner, but we need to make animation with rounding spinner. In this case we need to use some constraint tools. So Now let's do these operations. Okay, in this step we will make our spinner to do some action in round action. So first of all we need to put our bearings in and spinner body in one place. To do that we will choose some axes. So open origin folder from spinner body and then origin. Okay, let's use command constraint, and then first of all select this axis, center of this bearing, and then from here that axis. Okay, as you can see it moved to another place. Let's click apply. Okay, after that we need to choose we need to place our spinner, full spinner, in one plane. Let's choose constraint, select this one, and then select XY plane. Okay, as you can see it's approved. Now as you can see our spinner stays in one place and it's rotating. Okay, we finished our this step. Now it's time to, how can I say, make some animation with this spinner. Okay, let's do this step. Okay, in order to make some animation with this spinner, first of all we need to use constraint tool again. So we will choose XZ plane, and then from origin folder of spinner body we need to choose XZ plane. Okay, done. After that go to angle option from constraint and then choose this one, solution one. Okay, done. Apply and cancel. As you can see this kind of option, angle option, appeared here. So what will we do? We will use drive option to make some animation with this spinner. Okay, now we need to choose degree of starting of animation and then end of degree of finishing. First of all it will be 0 degree. The end of our animation, let's be like 360 degrees. Done. Now you can put here this play button. Now as you can see it's rotating until 360 degrees. If you want to go back, just press this one. Now it's rotating to another side. So this is a video how to make spinner and then animate it in Autodesk Inventor. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.